Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread with chocolate chips. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips for that extra special touch. Let's start by preparing our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, mash your 3 to 4 ripe bananas until smooth. Next, in a separate bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, whisk in 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In another bowl, combine 1 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, it's time to bring everything together for the perfect batter. Gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet banana mixture, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can result in a tough bread. Once the batter is mostly smooth, fold in 1 cup of your delicious chocolate chips. Ensure they are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. This step is crucial for getting a chocolatey bite in every single slice. Finally, let's get this amazing banana bread baked. Pour your prepared batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. Then, slice and enjoy your warm, homemade chocolate chip banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.